How to clear Facebook activity history in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll all the way down, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy and on the settings. When you click on the settings, you have to scroll down, and then you can see your Facebook information tab, and here you can see the activity log. You have to click on the activity log, and here you can see the all the activities. So you have to click on the manage your post activity, your manage your post. You have to click on the manage your post, and when you click on the manage your post, here you can see the all the posts. You have to click on the manage your post, and when you click on the manage your post, you have to select the click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the move to trace. Then you have to click on the move to trace, and then it will move to trace. And then you have to again if you want to again delete this post, clear this post, then you have to click on the move to trace, and then you have to click on the move to trace. So that's it. And if you want to uh, then what you have to do is you have to click on the trace in the upper part of the page. You can see the trace, so you have to click on the trace, and then when you click on the trace, you have to firstly select these two files, and then you have to click on the trace in the bottom right corner. Then you have to click on the trace in the bottom right corner. When you click on the trace, here you can see that there is option cancel delete. You have to click on the delete, and the active, and then you have to fill in your password. And when you fill in your password, and then you have to submit it, and then my password is incorrect, but you can do this. You have to fill in your password, and then you have to submit that, and then you have cleared the Facebook activity history. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.